Egypt says it has purchased an additional 20 million doses of China's Sinopharm vaccine as it moves to step up inoculations. Government officials say they are working hard to vaccinate as many people as possible in the country. Yasser Hakim has more details.
Egypt is racing against time to deal with an imminent third wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. The number of daily cases has been gradually rising in the last month, with a couple of cities in rural Upper Egypt hit hard.
We have dedicated 50% of our state hospitals for coronavirus patients. Out of these hospitals, we still have 47% of the ICU beds that are vacant in all cities. We took a decision not to hospitalize the mild cases so that we can have the capacity to maneuver if the numbers went up quickly. We have also added extra beds, oxygen cylinders, and new intensive care units in our hospitals in cities that have witnessed a spike in COVID-19 cases.
The vaccination process has been relatively slow due to late deliveries. To speed it up, the Health Ministry has doubled the number of vaccination centers in the last month, while more are to be opened soon. And the latest deal with China's Sinopharm is welcome news.
Sure, it's gonna to help Egypt for increase the mass vaccination for the population, as we are gonna to receive about 20 million doses from Sinopharm, and I think by the end of this month we are going to receive 1 million at the beginning, and then by next month we are going to receive the rest for the 20 million doses of Sinopharm.
The North African country still needs more jabs to fight the pandemic, and China is a partner in this fight as well.
Now we signed already an agreement with Sinovac. It's a Chinese company also, which is produce COVID vaccine. We signed 21 April, we signed an agreement for the technology transfer and local manufacturing, as it is one of the very important steps in the country to start the production of the COVID vaccine. And it is in 2 phases. We are gonna to start immediately by make production for 5 million doses within 2 months.
Egypt's state-owned Vaxera plant hopes to eventually produce between 40 to 60 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines per year, so as to guarantee a constant supply of the jab. Yes, Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.